What is digital literacy? Great question. Some people say digital literacy is learning computer skills, but it's about so much more. Digital literacy can be discovering online sources for your research paper, or the best local taco truck, evaluating articles about politics, health, and trending news, asking ethical questions about the things you create, and not being a jerk online, recording, writing, mixing, researching, and creating for work, school, and most importantly, your passion. Communicating your ideas to the world and collaborating with others from the group chat to the shared doc. Choosing the best tools, platforms, and places to be. Plus, keeping all those files manageable. And most importantly, it's about you. Figuring out how to be the best, healthiest, and happiest you online and off. So yeah, digital literacy is so many things. The digital world is a big place, and there's a lot to learn, create, fight for, and enjoy. Come explore what digital literacy means to you, the university libraries at Virginia Tech.